Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your VW Golf key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is surprisingly quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started and restore your key's full functionality. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the key. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a careful twist, you should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the key's functions, like locking and unlocking your doors, to ensure everything works perfectly. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your fully functional key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.